Question 41. The perimeter of a rectangle is 24 centimeters. The length of the rectangle is 2 centimeters more than the width. What is the area of the rectangle? So in this rectangle, we have been given that we don't know the length, we don't know the width. So we can call the width, let the width be W. So therefore length will be equal to, because we are told the length of a rectangle is 2 centimeters more than the width. So the length will be W plus 2. Therefore, we can get the value of W, because we've been told the perimeter of a rectangle is 24 centimeters. So we say perimeter is given by 2 into length plus width, which is the same as 2 into length, which is W, plus 2 plus width, which is W. So perimeter is equal to 2 times, in bracket we have W plus W is equal to 2W plus 2. So we have 2 times 2W is 4W plus 2 times 2 is 4, and this is equal to perimeter. So it means perimeter is equal to 4W plus 4, but this is equal to 24. So to get W alone, we take 4W is equal to, we take 4 the other side, it will be 24 minus 4. So 4W is equal to 20, meaning that W alone, we divide both sides by 4, we get that W is 20 over 4, which is equal to 5. So the width is 5, the length, which is W plus 2, will be equal to 5 plus 2, which is equal to 7. And the area is given by length times width, which is equal to 7 times 5, which is equal to 35 centimeters squared. Question 42. A cyclist took 15 minutes to travel from his home to town at an average speed of 18 kilometers per hour. It took 24 minutes to town to travel back to his home. What was his speed in kilometers per hour from town to his home? So we've been given the time taken in minutes. Time when going to town is equal to 15 minutes. We can convert it to hours by dividing by 60, so that it is 15 over 60, which is a third hours, which is a quarter hours. Then we've been given the speed as 18 kilometers per hour. So we can get the distance from town to the home, from home to town, because distance is equal to speed times time, which is equal to 18 kilometers per hour times time, which is 1 over 4 hours. We'll find that the distance is equal to 4 goes into 18, 4.5. So the distance is 4.5 kilometers. So when traveling back, it took 24 minutes. So time coming back will be 24 minutes into hours. It will be 24 over 60 hours, because divide by 60 minutes to get time in hours. Distance is equal to 4.5 kilometers. So we can get speed by saying that speed is equal to distance over time taken is equal to 4.5, which is the kilometers, 4.5 over time taken, which is 24 over 60. So in short, 4.5, we can write it as 4 times 2, 8, 9 over 2. So it will be 9 over 2 divided by is the same as 60 over 24. So 2 goes once, 2 goes into 60, 30. 3 goes into 9, 3 into 24, 8. Then we have 90 divided by 8, which is equal to 11 and 2 over 8, which is a quarter. 11.25 kilometers per hour, which is our choice C.